Hey guys, Liam here, and today I'm showing you how to disassemble and remove your door card in this Mark 6 Ford Fiesta. Right, first things first, see that little circle cap by the handle? That's covering a screw. So all you do is poke it on the left hand side and it pushes out, and then either get your screwdriver or get your fingers in there to pull it out the rest of the way, like so. And underneath the door card there's two plastic 10mm bolts which you need to remove. They're in at an angle, so it's a bit awkward to do, so it's better to get your head underneath the door panel so you can get to it. But that's what it looks like. I mean, after a while you'll find it carries on spinning, so you can just pull it out with your fingers. And back up to the top to remove the screw. It is just a simple posi screw, and I'll show you the size of it. And just get it up off the floor. Very small one, as you can see. Next, remove the paneling which holds the window buttons in. I find, a flathead screwdriver is good for the job. Start underneath and start prying away at it, and it's just clipped in basically. Don't be too rough so you don't snap it. But you can hear when it pops out, and you can see when it's resisting, like it is here. So I find it's better to unclip one end first, so you can get more leverage on the panel itself, and you can pull it away. It's clipped in at the top around here, and also at the bottom, so I put at the bottom, there you go. And the top should just come off, like so. Also be careful, because the electrics are plugged into the buttons. Obviously only one button is plugged in, the left one, which the blue one is the left one, okay? Obviously you need to remove them, and a small flathead screwdriver makes it easier to push down the clip. Because what you do, you see this clip here I'm pushing down on, like that. You push down and then pull the cable out whilst you're pushing down on it. With that gone, it exposes the handle, and there is two screws holding that in, and it is a torque screw. It's T25 size. So just simply remove them. Obviously remember to put all your little screws in a safe place, because obviously you need to keep them to put the parts back together. Unlike me, where I just dropped one. But I'll get that in a minute. And I'll show you the size as well, so you can get an idea. Now this side pulls out, but this side there's a little black clip, as you can see. You push on it, so you pull it outwards like this, and then it just releases the handle. Now that's done. Move up to the top, and this piece here just unclips. Just be careful not to break any of the clips. And I find you can leave the cables attached, because it doesn't really get in the way of the panel itself. Now the rest of the panel is just clipped in all the way around. Again, you can get your screwdriver and pry underneath, and at the top you just lift up first, because it hooks down over the door. So you lift up and then pull, and it will unclip. Now with the handle, there's two ways you can do this. There's the cable itself, which is clipped in, but I find sometimes the clip is awkward and stiff to pull out. So if you don't want to remove it that way, you can literally get a screwdriver and just pry the surrounding off. And what I do, which I'll show you now, is pry the top off with the screwdriver so you can get your hand in enough to grab it and pull the bottom clips out. It's just held in by 4 clips. And with a bit of manoeuvring, you can push it through the hole. And you have your panel off the door. So now you can get in there to do any repair you need. And I hope you found this video useful. Obviously stay tuned, because this will lead to another video, which is obviously fixing the window regulator. And yeah, stay tuned guys. Cheers, bye.